Good morning, everyone. Here I'm here to show you what we call the patch panel. This is the cabinet we're using holding the patch panel. As you can see, it can be opened. In order to open it from the start, you have to press in here. You press this, use the key, but here we are not using a key, so you're gonna open it. After opening it, you see in it we have a series of what we call the patch panels. We have 3 patch panels in here. Each are have 24 ports. As you can see, 1, 2, 3 up to 24 each of them. That means we're having 3 patch panels in here, so they're either used for like voice or data connection. So as you can see, here is the cabinet. This is a see from this reading from 1, 2, 3, 4 up to 18, so we call this 18U. So this is 18U. Yeah, this is 18U. We are actually land testing it in here. See the cable's been passed into it. Still work in progress. Well, just to show you what we call the patch panel. Before I start, more to coming soon. Thank you.